our great teachers, the teacher, the fraternity teacher, and also the reporter. Next, I will present to you our main character, Mr. Jerome Colina, and the victim of the fraternity. Then next, Mr. James Ibanez, the student and also the problem. That's been also the one of the Sanchez, one of the students, also the reporter, and also of the chismaker. Next is Mr. Jeffrey Plaza, the father of the victim. And the last two people, Miss Aika and Miss Precious Sagonoy, the students and also chismakers of our group. Now that's all.